dear children, good morning to all. Myself, Preeti from Sanskar, the Gurukul International School. I am your math teacher. So, today we are going to start our new lesson 4. The topic is Bharatiya Ganana Pranali. Before starting our lesson, I would like to suggest you something about COVID-19. Okay, so use your masks regularly, especially at public place, while playing at somewhere and going to the market. Use masks properly every time. Okay, avoid touch your eyes, lips, nose. I am going to start our new lesson 4. The topic is Bharatiya Ganana Pranali. So my dear student, see chapter 4 in your book. Open your book, text copy, and let's get start learning. Okay? The Hindu-Arabic numeral system, also known as Bharatiya Ganana Pranali, is a positional decimal system developing by Indian mathematics. This system is based on 10 difficult digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It are used to represent any number. Bharatiya Ganana Pranali was developed by Indian mathematician Aryabhat and Brahmagupta. आर्यभट्ट के द्वारा ये किया गया था, भारतीय गणना प्रणाली को प्रचलित किया गया था, स्प्रेड किया गया था, जो कि ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में इसे यूज किया जाता है। इस प्रणाली को ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में मान्यता दी गई है। ओके, द मेन फीचर ऑफ दिस सिस्टम इज दैट वेरी नेक्स्ट प्लेस इज 10 टाइम्स हायर इन वैल्यू। ओके, so here is the example. Here is the 5 column are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 column are there. The first column is place value, number. We have write in this column in number, place value. Okay. Then after, this is the call of hazar. Means in English we have called 1000. This is the place of 1000 places in this column, and this sacra means 100 places is this column. And next the high means tens, and last one is ones. 1000, 100, tens and ones. Then 4 numbers are there. इन 4 नंबर को हमें क्या करना है, इस पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमें फिलअप करनी है। तो 5 डिजिट, इन 5 डिजिट व्हाट्स द पोजीशन ऑफ 5 नंबर? सिंगल नंबर इज देयर, द पोजीशन ऑफ 5 नंबर इज ओनली वंस, मीन्स इकाई। पोजीशन ऑफ 5 नंबर इज इकाई, मीन्स वंस। इन दिस नथिंग, so dash and dash. Okay, blank here, so dash. And second number 48. What's the position of 48? 2 digits are there, 4 and 8. 2 digits, tens and ones. The position is tens and ones. 8 we have write in ones position, and 4 we have write in tens position. Okay, and 1000 and 100, nothing is that. Okay, now our third number 353. What is the position of 353? In Bharatiya Ganana Pranali, the position of 353 is 100, tens and ones. In 100 we have write 3 digit number, and tens we have write in 5 digit number, and 3 we have write 1 digit number. 100, tens and ones, and 1000 is nothing is happening, so we have nothing to write. Now fourth number digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 8647. What is the position of this number? In this pranali, in Bharatiya Janagणना pranali, what is the position of this number? 8 we have write in 1000 places, 6 we have write in 100 places, and 4 is 10 places, and 7 is 1 places. Okay, 8647 we have called 8647. Okay, this one digit, single digit, then we have write it only ones column. Here is two digit number is here, so we have write it tens and ones. Position is here. Now third one 353, then 100 tens and ones we have write, and last one is 4 digit, then 1000, 100 tens and ones. Okay, this is a code of place value in Bharatiya Ganna Pranali. On the basis of the position of a digit in a number, the place value of digit is divided. The place value of the digit is divided. Okay, हर एक अलग अलग पोजीशन पे हमने क्या किया, इस प्लेस वैल्यू वाले नंबर को हमने डिवाइड किया. ठीक है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, सी नेक्स्ट पेज. There are given a भारतीय जनगणना प्रणाली इन हिंदी. तालिका आपको वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, आप उससे देखिए, देख के पढ़िए, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, और ये जो मैं आपको समझाई हूँ इसे आप टेक्स्ट कॉपी में नोट डाउन करोगे. ओके, टेक्स्ट कॉपी में आप इसे लिखोगे, और आप नेक्स्ट पेज जो है भारतीय गणना प्रणाली की जो तालिका दी हुई है उस तालिका को आपको पढ़ना है. ओके, so bye bye and take care yourself.